Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best palm oil commodity Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a global online broker founded in 2006 in Dublin, Ireland, that offers trading in a wide variety of markets. Backed by strong financial infrastructure, the broker provides an array of trading platforms to suit different trading styles, as well as operates under multiple regulatory jurisdictions and holds client funds in segregated accounts to enhance security. Avatrade offers a wide range of trading instruments through CFDs, giving traders plenty of options to build a diversified portfolio. You can trade over 50 Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotic currencies, as well as popular commodities like gold, silver, oil, and natural gas. Leading global indices such as the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and FTSE 100 are also available, alongside hundreds of international stock CFDs. Cryptocurrency CFDs including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple allow for around-the-clock trading. For traders looking for more advanced strategies, Avatrade also offers vanilla options on Forex and select commodities, making it suitable for both beginner and experienced traders alike. The broker provides a variety of trading platforms to suit different styles. MetaTrader 4 is ideal for beginners and experienced traders, while MetaTrader 5 adds more timeframes, order types, and asset coverage. Traders can also use WebTrader for browser-based trading or AvaOptions for professional options strategies. Social and copy trading are supported through AvaSocial, allowing users to follow and replicate experienced traders. Available on desktop and mobile, Avatrade's platforms give traders the tools they need to trade effectively. Additionally, their mobile application lets traders execute orders, track prices, view interactive charts, and set alerts from anywhere. Unique features like AvaProtect also help manage risk, making mobile trading simple and secure. Avatrade offers a range of trading account types to cater to different trader profiles. The retail account is the most common, providing access to a wide array of markets with standard leverage and regulatory protection. For experienced traders, their professional account offers higher leverage and fewer restrictions, though it comes with increased risk and requires meeting specific eligibility criteria. The broker also provides Islamic accounts, which comply with Sharia law by offering swap-free trading conditions, as well as multi-account manager accounts, which are available for fund managers to manage multiple client accounts efficiently. Each account type is designed to meet the unique needs of traders, ensuring flexibility and support for various trading strategies. Avatrade offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at every level. Their Ava Academy provides over 200 free online courses covering a wide range of topics. These courses feature video lessons, quizzes, and certificates to enhance learning and track progress. For those seeking structured guidance, Avatrade's Trading for Beginners section offers tutorials on key concepts such as leverage, margin, and trading lots, helping newcomers build a solid foundation in trading. Additionally, Avatrade hosts live webinars as well as provides a wide variety of video tutorials and articles, covering topics from risk management to technical analysis and trading strategies. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, Avatrade's educational resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge needed to navigate the financial markets confidently. At number 4 on our list is CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been a trusted name in online trading since 1989, serving over 1.5 million clients worldwide, and with decades of experience, the broker combines reliability with innovation, offering advanced trading technology through its proprietary next-generation platform and MetaTrader 4, designed to provide a seamless and professional trading experience. Regulated by top-tier authorities, CMC Markets ensures a secure environment for traders, whether they are beginners or seasoned professionals, making it a respected choice in the global trading community. CMC Markets offers a comprehensive range of over 12,000 CFD instruments, providing traders with diverse opportunities across global markets. Their offerings include Forex pairs, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, and ETFs. With fully automated execution, deep liquidity, and a wide selection of markets, the broker provides both retail and professional traders with the tools to diversify portfolios, manage risk effectively, and take advantage of opportunities in fast-moving global markets. The broker offers a diverse range of trading platforms to cater to various trader preferences. Their proprietary next-generation platform provides access to over 12,000 instruments. It boasts advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and features like one-click trading and automated alerts. For traders seeking a more customizable experience, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are available, featuring enhanced order types, a built-in economic calendar, and improved strategy testing. Whether you prefer web-based, desktop, or mobile trading, CMC Markets ensures a seamless and professional trading experience across all devices. CMC Markets offers a variety of trading accounts to suit different trader needs and experience levels. Their standard account is ideal for retail traders with competitive spreads and no minimum deposit requirement. For active Forex traders, their FX Active account offers spreads from 0.0 pips on major Forex pairs, plus access to all other instruments with a small commission. Experienced traders can opt for the CMC Pro account, which delivers higher leverage, priority service, and exclusive rebates. Additionally, corporate accounts are available for businesses, providing tailored features for corporate trading. Each account is designed to meet specific trading styles and goals, ensuring flexibility for all types of traders. The broker offers a comprehensive range of educational resources designed to support traders at every level. Their Knowledge Hub provides detailed platform guides, step-by-step tutorials, and in-depth articles covering essential topics such as technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. In addition, traders can join live and on-demand webinars hosted by experienced market analysts, offering insights into market trends, trading psychology, and advanced techniques. The resources are carefully organized by experience level, ensuring that every trader can access content tailored to their needs. From learning the basics to refining complex trading strategies, the broker's educational tools are aimed at helping traders build confidence and make more informed decisions in the financial markets. Coming in at number 3, we have XTB. XTB is a globally recognized online trading platform offering access to a wide range of financial markets. Established in 2002, the company has grown into one of the world's leading brokers, providing innovative trading solutions through its proprietary XStation platform. XTB is regulated by top-tier financial authorities and serves traders across multiple countries. The broker is committed to empowering traders of all experience levels with advanced tools, educational resources, and competitive trading conditions. The broker offers a wide range of trading instruments, giving traders access to global financial markets. The broker provides trading in Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, allowing for portfolio diversification across different asset classes. XTB offers advanced and user-friendly trading platforms designed to enhance the trading experience for both beginners and professionals. Their flagship platform, XStation, provides intuitive navigation, advanced charting tools, real-time market analysis, and fast trade execution. Available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, XStation ensures seamless access to global markets anytime, anywhere. Additionally, the broker also provides trading through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. XTB offers flexible trading account types designed to suit the needs of different traders, whether for beginners or experienced professionals. Their accounts feature competitive spreads, fast execution, and access to a wide range of financial instruments. These accounts include the standard and pro trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. The broker offers comprehensive educational resources to support traders at all experience levels. The broker provides free courses, webinars, market analysis, and trading guides to help traders enhance their skills. Overall, XTB is a trusted and innovative broker that provides traders with a comprehensive range of financial instruments, advanced trading platforms, and valuable educational resources. With its focus on security and customer support, XTB offers a seamless trading experience for both beginners and experienced traders, whether through competitive account types, expert market analysis, or powerful tools. XTB is dedicated to helping traders achieve their financial goals in the dynamic world of online trading. At number 2 on our list is IG. IG is a leading online trading and investment platform providing a comprehensive suite of financial products and services to traders and investors. IG empowers users to engage in a diverse range of financial markets, and as a leading player in the financial industry, their platform offers a user-friendly interface coupled with advanced trading features to facilitate seamless and informed decision-making. IG has positioned itself as a trusted partner for those seeking to navigate the complexities of the global financial markets. The broker offers a diverse array of trading instruments on its platform, offering a variety of options for individuals and institutions. And these instruments include Forex currency pairs, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, futures, and options. This extensive range allows users to tailor their portfolios to their specific investment goals and risk preferences. With competitive spreads and leverage options, IG provides a versatile and dynamic trading environment for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. IG offers a diverse range of cutting-edge trading platforms, tailored to cater to the varied needs of traders. These platforms are designed to provide seamless and intuitive experiences, empowering traders with advanced tools and features, and includes the IG proprietary trading application, MetaTrader 4, auto trading through Pro Real-Time, and more. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, IG's trading platforms aim to deliver a seamless and efficient trading experience, ensuring accessibility and functionality for all. They also provide a range of trading account types designed to meet the diverse needs of traders on their platform. Their accounts include spread betting and CFD leveraged accounts, share dealing accounts, stock accounts, the IG Smart Portfolio account, and the Smart Portfolio ISA account, with demo and Islamic account options. Each account type comes with unique features and advantages, allowing traders to align their choice with their specific trading objectives and preferences. They also provide a wealth of educational material aimed to enhancing market knowledge and refining trading skills. The educational resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, including foundational concepts, advanced strategies, risk management, technical analysis, and more. Through a variety of engaging formats such as video tutorials, webinars, and interactive courses, IG ensures that traders of all levels can access valuable insights and knowledge to make informed decisions in the financial markets. Whether for beginners or experienced traders, IG's dedication to education makes it a valuable destination for those looking to continually develop their trading expertise. Overall, IG stands as a prominent and trusted online trading platform dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of traders of all skill levels. With a user-friendly interface, a comprehensive array of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and a commitment to trader education through their academy, the platform provides a holistic and empowering experience for individuals navigating the financial markets. Whether one is a novice or an experienced trader, IG's commitment to transparency, innovation, and education positions it as a reliable partner for those seeking success in the dynamic world of online trading. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best palm oil commodity forex brokers, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a leading global brokerage firm that provides a comprehensive range of financial services to individuals and institutional investors. Known for its advanced trading technology, the firm offers access to a wide array of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and commodities, across more than 150 markets worldwide. The platform also supports cryptocurrency trading through select providers. With competitive pricing and advanced trading tools, Interactive Brokers enables investors to trade a wide variety of assets efficiently and strategically. Interactive Brokers provides a suite of powerful trading platforms designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders. Their flagship Trader Workstation offers advanced charting, market analysis tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities. The Interactive Brokers client portal provides a user-friendly web-based platform for managing accounts and executing trades. For traders on the go, their mobile app delivers a seamless trading experience on smartphones and tablets. Additionally, the Interactive Brokers APIs allow for custom trading solutions and automated strategies. Interactive Brokers offers a variety of trading account types, tailored to the needs of individual traders, investors, and institutions. Individual and joint accounts are available for retail traders, while institutional accounts cater to hedge funds, financial advisors, and proprietary trading firms. The platform also provides specialized accounts, including retirement accounts, trust accounts, and accounts for small businesses. With flexible funding options and competitive pricing, Interactive Brokers ensures that clients can choose the account that best suits their trading and investment goals. Interactive Brokers offers a wide range of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. The Interactive Brokers campus provides webinars, courses, and trading guides covering various financial topics. The Traders Academy offers structured lessons on trading strategies, market analysis, and platform tutorials. Additionally, clients can access market commentary, research reports, and real-time news updates. With these comprehensive learning tools, Interactive Brokers supports traders at all levels of experience in making informed investment decisions. And those are some of the top 5 best palm oil commodity forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.